ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Recently, the Karnataka government has allowed general public to visit Vidhana Soudha starting June 2025 for the first time ever, being organized by Karnataka State Tourism. In this video, you are going to see the glimpse of my visit to Vidhana Soudha and also the details about how to visit Vidhana Soudha as a normal public. Firstly, we are going to see how to visit. For that, you have to book reservation. For that, enter KSDDC in Google. Click on the first link. Click on the Activities tab. You can find it on the right corner. Here you can see the both Kannada and English guided tour. Choose whichever language you know. Here I am choosing English. This guided tour is conducted on every Sundays and second and fourth Saturdays. Select the date according to your wish. Here I am selecting this weekend and you can see the slots available, and with that you can select book now and pay the amount to confirm. After booking, you will receive the confirmation email and terms and condition you have to follow. The main terms and condition is you have to bring original Aadhaar ID proof. Before going in, securities will check your proof and the name should match to your booking name. No other ID proofs are accepted, so you guys must bring original ID proof of Aadhaar. While booking itself, you have to enter the Aadhaar details.
To give a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. This statue was built, and it is a complete built in the cement, not with any metal, and coated with. You can also witness all the freedom fighters also here, and it shows after the independence how British are going back to the England. And, Okay, as we all know, India got independence on opposite to the Vidhana Soudha, which is a